some suggesting that patriotic Americans actually want to pay more.
Absolutely. I would have filled up my pool with premium if I wasn't using it this weekend.
Like a true American. Now here's my 2 cents. Prices are gonna keep going up for a couple of months. Buy low, sell high if you can. And make sure you tune in for our boss sack analysis hour.
Wow, you! Nice car. That is one sweet ride.
All right, we might be ready to move on this thing. If you want the work, you'll get a knock on your door any minute.
Boss, your executive assistant here. These are exciting times for the company, if you want to expand. SecuroServe's updated with an opportunity to source and resell high-value vehicles, and some garage space in the buildings become available on Dynasty 8. Stop by the office soon and I'll show you.
I was showing something too. Oh, we've seen the Oriental Theater, Fred Studios. It's all on my bleeder.
Boss. Hi there. So long.